Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. I'm going to show you around a delivery mileage 22 plate Volkswagen Caravelle today, which is a bit of a rare sight. In pure grey, this is the 204 PS bi-turbo model with a DSG gearbox and 4Motion drivetrain, so it is as good as it gets on one of these. Got a lot of extra factory options too. Plus, as you can see, it's got a full LVR styling kit on it with a full gloss black pack as well on the front. We've also fitted the laser lamps to this one. Really help the look of that grille there, beef it up a bit. 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels and lowered by 30mm on genuine Volkswagen lowering springs. This one's got the red calipers too. And with it having a factory sport pack, instead of the sidebars, we've got the gloss black inserts. All fits in with its look around it. Gloss black the mirror caps too. And you've got full privacy tints to the rear of the vehicle. This one has the nappa leather upgrade. And also comes with the premium front seat pack. So it's electric passenger seat and electric driver's seat with memory function too. Now the exec gets loads of bits as standard, so electric sliding doors, park assist and park sensors are all standard, along with heated seats and 3-zone climate control. This one's also got the Pro navigation system. Digital cockpit there is standard too. This one's also got an interesting option, which is the laminated acoustic glass pack. That is essentially double glazing on the vehicle, so takes a lot of noise out from the road. Usual Caravelle setup in the rear with the triple bench seat that turns into a bed, table, and the 2 swiveling captain seats behind the driver and passenger. All on a rail system, so you can move everything about, have it how you want it to be. With this one having the LVR kit, it's got the LVR rear bumper here, that lovely gloss black valance down at the bottom, MASV detailing and smoke pack to the lights and lenses. Reverse camera is standard on the exec model too, as is a fully electric tailgate. Now the seats here are all the way back. You can easily make more room in here by just moving them forward a bit, so the interior can be configured to suit space in the boot as opposed to passenger space if required. Stunning looking vehicle these, with the kit on. Carbon wheel upgrade is available on this one at a small extra cost. Do ask us for details on that if you'd like that doing. You can see on some of our other listings what the carbon wheel looks like. It's got power fold mirrors. This vehicle's covered just 29 miles from new. That's literally just from the dealer to ourselves. It's a great spec of this rear vehicle with a load of enhancements. We've got the full advert on our website, martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. 20 plus photos with a full written description. We do welcome part exchanges, and finance facilities are available for both business and private customers. Please have a look through the advert. If you're interested, get in touch. Thanks for watching.